Let's make a mini zine. My name is Dayna. I'm passionate about DIY publishing, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 6-page zine from one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. Let's get started. Mini zines are one of my favorite formats because they're really simple and accessible. Anyone can make them as long as they have a piece of paper and some scissors. You can use them to share your comics, stories, and art. I've even seen a mini zine turned into an entire game system. They're a great way to share fun facts about your favorite vegetables. They can be full of just pictures and art, or full of wordy musings and affirmations. I've made fanzine mini zines, and I've seen mini zines about zines. The possibilities for what you can put in a mini zine are truly endless. I've shared some of my favorite mini zines here on the screen, and I've linked to these creators down in the description below, so hopefully that gives you some inspiration for what you can do with this format. Here's what you're going to need to get started. Sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper, a pair of scissors, and this next one is optional, but I find it helps to have a bone folder. This is a piece of plastic that is flat on one side, and it helps you make crisp, sharp edges when you're folding your paper. Now let's get started by folding the paper. You'll want to fold it in half, just like this. Then you're going to fold it in half one more time. Make sure those edges are nice and lined up. All right. Unfold your paper, and then you're going to fold it in half the opposite direction. Now you should have 8 boxes. These will make your 6 pages and your covers. I like to label them, that way when I'm working on my zine, I kind of know how and where to place my content. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, then we'll flip it over and do pages 5 and 6, the front cover and the back cover. Now that you have your template, it's time to collage your zine. I like to work directly on the paper I just folded so I can know where to place my words and where to place my images. Here are some examples of some zines I've made in the past. And here's the zine we'll be making today. Once you've collaged on your template, you're going to take it to the copy machine and print off a bunch of copies. Now we're going to get right back to folding. The folding is exactly the same as we did last time. So first you're going to fold it in half, hamburger style. Make sure those edges line up nice. Then we're going to fold it in half one more time. We'll open it back up and fold it hot dog style. Perfect. Now that we have our 8 boxes, we're going to fold it in half one more time. And this is where the magic's going to happen. As you can see, you have a folded edge and an open edge. Along the folded edge to the middle crease, you're going to make a single cut with a pair of scissors, just like this. It sort of makes a hole in the middle of your piece of paper. Once you have that hole, you'll fold it in half hot dog style and then push the edges together. And that gives you your zine. You'll just want to flip the pages open, flatten them one by one to make sure that your folds are nice and crisp. And ta-da, you've made it. You've made a mini zine. How easy was that? And if you want to make your zine extra magical, you can even include a collaged insert that viewers can see when they fold open the zine. All you have to do is make sure you print your copies double-sided with your mini zine on one side and the collaged centerfold on the other side. Making a mini zine is a fun and easy way to dip your toes into the world of DIY publishing. Whether you're a brand new zinester who is just trying this out for the first time, or you're a seasoned zinester who remembers when we could copy scam at Kinko's, if you make any mini zines, I want to see them. send me your zines, and you might see them show up in a future episode of Zine Reviews. You can find out about Zine Review submissions on my website, which is linked in the description, or catmothcrow.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye!